Everybody knows the story with Kenneisha Moodie and her brother. The scammer man them kill them off and put them in a shallow grave. This story to me, like I said earlier, it's very, very disturbing. What is even more disturbing, it's how the vloggers them is putting out the information about these people. Let's talk about that.
We pledge ourselves
others lose
to liberate all our people from the continued bondage of poverty.
Man, I move like Taliban on a ISIS. At the end of the days, I feel all of my dogs in the streets. And the road is a crunch time, crunch time. I go so hard on the lane and the main, feel the pain and the tough time, tough time. All look there, walk goes man the tear and the other face love time. If you're a giant, them you're rough time. Simple thing to life is a delicate subject and a predicate. Badness does elevate, fuck a lot of delegate. Mama say about the fret, youths now we say intellect. Mistake which I correct, live life with no regret. The ladder of success will feature. With jailhouse man and star and
Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great. One more great, and one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and click on another video. Now, there's some things that I see, in this case that really kind of disturb me, because I look at a lot of the vlogging that's going on about this brother and sister, and a lot of it is salacious and very, you can pretty much say, derogatory. They put out scandalized pictures with them laying in the grave and shallow grave, and then when I listen to some of these vloggers, even though they get a lot of views, some of these vloggers, it's just the same bullshit they're talking about this. I think the bloggers them should really try and help to solve this case, because I am going through YouTube and I still can't see if they found this lady kids. This lady 2 kids. One vlogger, I think Youngest TV, his headline was, "Oh yeah, they find body of Kenneisha." And then you go through and you listen to his vlog, and he's saying the same thing everybody's saying. "Oh yeah, she got snatched." Voice note is out there with the killer them, and nobody is saying, listen, people, give us some information. And that's what I am saying. You understand? People who know what's going on in this case, please give me a call. Call Countryman if you don't want to call the Jamaica police. But give me a call so we can make these people rest in peace. I look at things like this in Jamaica, and it's very broken heart. It's very disheartening. All you can see is murder, man shot, murder this, scammer that. And you ask yourself, Is Jamaica a real place? Is it a functioning democracy? Because the way how the government and the politicians speak in Jamaica House, that's not the reality we are experiencing. So my thing is, when are we gonna try and fix this problem? I was looking at the video and the scammers them who killed the two kids were showing their little two-piece of gun. One of them have a matic and one was like a 38. And you can tell these guys is some real pussy. And what they do, they trick you and friend killer. With them two little piece of gun that they have, these scammers, they think they can stand up to any real gangster out there. Them can't even stand up to the little boy I saw in the video that went viral with him Draco. You understand? And what they did is kill these two people and put it on social media so it can go viral. And I guess this sends a threat to everybody in the island to know that if you mess with the Kings Valley or the man them in Westmoreland, you see what's gonna happen to you. Me, I am not gonna blame the police, because I think throughout the Caribbean, because I've done vlogs on many other countries, and throughout the Caribbean, the Jamaican police is very equipped to deal with the gang. In terms of hardware and gang technology and gang ideology, the Jamaican police, when they go for you, they go for you. Don't think if Prezi was in Jamaica, he could be flaunting and doing certain things like that. No, police is coming for you. So the Jamaican police have been doing a decent little job, but the system needs help. We need more prison. We need more mediation in our communities to stop these things. Because I feel like a situation like this could have been mediated. You understand? They took some money from the gangster them, or the scammer, and I guess it's punishable by death. Are you serious? No, these two scammer boy were in the video talking. I'm quite sure they have family, and them have brother, and them have sister, them have mother, them have auntie, them have cousins. And would they like one of their family member to meet that demise? No. And you know, the only reason why this reached these two kids, it's because they know that these kids don't have any vocative like that. Because if it was certain people or certain family member, you think they could come and plan some shit like that? No. They would get straight gunshot. And like I said, you know, that's why the violence can't stop in Jamaica, because if somebody did that to my family, pussy, I dead on go bomb clock dead. Me not care what me have to do. If me have to sell my house them, sell my car them, you understand? If me have to sell blood clot coke, walk over, whatever, to wipe on out, that's what I am going to do. You understand? Something like that happened, yeah. a peer gonna come in at the blood clot place. And we are gonna lift up some pussy. Me all a pay police. Forget rid of on a bumbo clot. And that's the way I feel. So, these guys who did this, I hope the people push them out. Don't let them come into your community killing off the young people them. They're gonna do it to you guys too. So you need to push out these killers. You understand? From you listening to them, you could tell there are some underprivileged, fully dunce motherfuckers. You know what I'm saying? How many times the politician work them and use them, and you think they could go, oh yeah, I am gonna kidnap a politician and kill a politician or one of these rich boys? No, what they do, they pick on the underprivileged and the people they know they can pick on. Because if that was some other set of people, oh, they would have to talk that shit out. They would have to reason that shit out and negotiate that shit. What they did, they tricked these two young kids. Because she's a little girl. My daughter is older than her. You understand? She's only 22. She don't even know how to fuck good dog. Much less. Come on. She's a kid. You understand? And got caught up in the glamour thing and this reacher. But my thing is, a lot of the information out there, it's too salacious. I think the vloggers them should try let us solve this and not just put it out like tabloids, because it just seems, like I say, my vlogs are different. Maybe that's why I don't get a lot of views, but I am not just reading the news. I am actually trying to make a difference in people's lives, and I'm here as a voice for the under-voice. You understand? The working poor. So my platform is sort of like that. You see what I'm saying? Where I have to call for justice. I have to make sure certain things, when I put out my video, I have to put certain things, I have to make certain speech. I'm gonna feel like I didn't do it right. So please, I'm asking Jamaica. I don't even know if they found the body of these people, because all the vlogs out there is just so salacious and misleading. But even if they do find the body, you guys need to push out these killers, man, and make them hang. Make we see the police go for them. You understand? And fix them business, yo. You understand? I bet you, if it was certain man did that, they would have to take that and couldn't do certain things about it with them two little tiny blood clot gun. You understand? Better them did go rob beryllium to rascal pussy. You understand? Some little waste man them, yo. Please, I'm asking Jamaica, push out these killers of these two young kids. Alright? My name is Countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe and click on another video. And I'm asking the vloggers them, let's try and solve this. Ask to solve it. Don't just put out salacious information, say drunk crowd on yam these kids by now and body are rotten and just really crazy stuff, and people listen to it. Like I say, they get views. So, but me, I am gonna keep doing what I do, and is burn out the pussy world gangster them and the pussy world scammer the dirty police, the dirty politician, the dirty girl and the dirty man them, yo. I'm out.